What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a decal slash anime sticker. So since my car is super dirty and dusty, I'm going to be washing it first and then I'll apply the decal. I have to come all the way out here since it was way nosy all the way over there. So I have my Monkey D Luffy decal right here. Can't wait to put this on. And then I put some degreaser on this rag so I could clean the area right here. Make sure you get it nice and good. So that lasts hopefully a few years. Wipe it off. Since my car has these lines right here on the rear windshield, I'm going to be going off right here since this is the middle right here. So I'm going to place my Monkey D Luffy piece right here. We got the area nice and clean now. Now you're going to want to peel this super slow. Super slow. So I got this sticker or slash decal actually last year at Wetfest, and I hadn't put it on. So looks like the middle of the sticker is Luffy's ponytail. So I'm just gonna match it up. Get it on there slowly and then apply pressure, and then just for the heck of it, I'm gonna let this sit on there, make sure it stays on there nice and good. Don't want it falling off. Hopefully I want it to last a few years. And hopefully I'll be adding more. Look at that. Monkey D Luffy.